Welcome back. I found out that my animator doesn't have time for me tomorrow. Um, and then I realized I'm in an immense rush. So I since I have such time constraints, um, I can't really draw a monkey right now. So I decided the next best thing is a kid pretending to be a monkey. Uh, so this is our monkey brush character. Um, yeah, it looks funnier from the side actually. I feel like I did like here you can actually maybe I should have teeth like that. Let me try that instead of a full grin. Okay. Um, Where's the one there? So let me get the color straight here. This is this color here. The other one is black. We can try that, I guess. Oh, whoops. Just a couple dots. That actually surprisingly looks good in a way. Weird way, it kind of looks good. Oh, yeah. Why not? Yeah, actually, that looks good. Um, it makes sense because I'm using this color for shadows, and obviously that's a cutout. So yeah, that actually makes sense. Well, I think I used that one. That looks good. Um, yeah, so it's basically a kid in a monkey mask now, and we actually want to have a. So when you look from the side, there's the M here, sort of. So what we want to draw is we want to have the word monkey, and it actually opens up possibilities. Like it opens up quite a lot of dialogue options um, of a sort of Dunning-Kruger character that we can kind of do on here. It's too large, so insert text. Let's try 8. Problem is 8 is almost not readable. Yeah, it's first of all it's not readable almost, and it's still too big. Eh, if you blink, you can sort of see it. You have to blink a lot. Let me try to. That's sort of here. Right. Let's do. Um. Oh my God, this is not easy to. Kind of funny that the. Oh, okay, it's hard to read, but I think it's sort of readable. Do this. Just do. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Sort of readable. Not perfect. Thing is, yeah, I can't draw this closer. That's the problem. And I don't really have space between. It will have to work for. But the K is weird. E is also weird. Well, that's not even okay. I think it should be like. Oh, also weird. Huh. It generally looks weird. Yeah, I don't think we can do better. Yes. It's readable. It's readable, so monkey. Let's walk south. And, well, biggest problems are going to be the ears in this case, so we probably have to, like, do a different layer cutout. If we want a perfect clone, which, honestly, probably it's okay if we don't have a perfect clone of that character. So. Right, so let's work on let's try and yeah, this is not gonna be easy. We can draw these. It's just a couple sprites, so I'll show you how I've done it. So, just a couple sprites. So. Oops. The knight is still somewhat young. I'm just having bubble tea for the first time in my entire life. There you go. Yeah, like this. And obviously we have this, and then we have pretty much that we can copy from here. First time I'm. Oh, what? Oh, a different layer. First time we're actually. First time I'm actually drawing for real life and for an audience. Is that correct? Oh no, I think it's. Let me see. 1, 2. It might be correct. Okay, 1, 2. No, that's correct. Obviously, I need to remove scarf and everything else. Oops. Wrong layer. So now we're drawing the rest white. It's not too hard. It takes a bit getting used to, but it's not difficult. And actually, I need some music. Yeah. Let me get some music here. Yeah, now we're getting some drawing done here. Past few days we've done programming, now we're doing some drawing. And hopefully I'll get done in time. Because that would be really snazzy. Oh, whoops. Right. In a way, that's almost like drawing costumes for. Oh, I actually drew this on a different layer. It doesn't matter really what layer we draw in. Only here it should matter. Ah, wait. Right. Oh, it's gonna be a bit tough now. Wait. Where do I usually draw this? The leg, okay. I think. Which height is that supposed to be? It's kind of hard to see. I think it's here. Oops. Oh, actually, this one is right. Is it? I think so. We can always redraw it later on. Absolutely does not work. Right, so. Whoa. We're once again in the wrong layer, yay. Oh, that sucks. really need to pay attention what layer I'm in. It's the foot, so I think we are right, sort of. Right, let's. Now we in paint. I don't know, it might be. No, I don't think. I think now we're sort of showing. This is weird. Maybe we should actually measure how many pixels these are. I don't know if this is. No, we're definitely too high. It's kind of difficult to. Why am I always in this freaking layer there? This is really annoying the hell out of me. Please stay in that layer. Yeah, okay. Actually, yeah, we can go lower. Just that the foot is above it. Okay, that makes sense, sort of. It looks weird, but... Right, so... Now we just need to have the white here. And then we need the color. Oh, we already have the color. I just drew it to the wrong one. It looks weird. Almost indecent. Shit. I think we can't draw that down here. This looks weird though, doesn't it? Yeah. Actually. Actually, that makes more sense, I think. Yeah, I think this makes more sense. That looks correct. Oh, oops. And then we go back to here. And we copy the monkey. We copy this over here. Have to align this correctly, huh? Well, aligning this correctly is also gonna be a bit of a hassle here. Yeah, I think this is correct, sort of. It looks a bit weird, but I think it's correct. But that's... we probably could quite literally take that character and turn this into a proper monkey. But I think for this purpose, it's pretty much okay. There's also a Monkey Island gag I kind of want to implement. I don't know if I can. The whole question thing with the if this is 2, what is this? And from Monkey Island 2. When I replayed that, the first time I played this, oh wow. I'm just getting to the bubbles. That's okay. Kind of fruity. I picked the blueberry flavor one. When I first played it as a kid, I pretty much remember doing this without a walkthrough or anything. But now that I've done it as an adult, I feel I didn't do as good of a job. Why is this wrong here? Color is wrong for some reason. Let's fix the color. I don't know why the color is wrong now. I didn't move the character, did I? Did I accidentally move the character? No. Okay, I have no idea. Oh, I moved the... Oh, okay, never mind. This is some sort of layer there. Actually, this is more correct anyways, okay. Cool. Yeah. Right, so... Now we have to do the thing again. Only 2 more remaining, so... I'm positive I can finish the code tomorrow. Well, I just need the graphics. The hardest part, getting all the graphics. Actually, I'm probably gonna do the code tonight, so I have some time for the graphics tomorrow. For the rest of the graphics, like room stuff. I also made some changes in the resolution now. It's almost 16 by 9, but not quite. So, but the interface matches again now, so the walkthrough matches. Yeah, this matches now. I'm sort of drawing into the, I think, drawing into the layer above it. But that's okay, because I'm not even gonna use the full room height anyways, but I still have, like, I don't think I will get the new renderer done. There's more changes I need to do to ScumVM in order to support 1080, not 1080, 180p, 320 by 180. There's like more stuff to do. Right now I'm kind of at a weird resolution anyways. I'm at 320 by 192, so I'm not even at 200. But yeah, it works for now. Obviously still need to draw more textures, more stuff. Oh yeah, I also did this little poster there. If we look at that, ask me about skunk. And basically what I did here is, for that is, so basically what I did is I added this just as part of the room graphic, and I did a hotspot here, so going back to programming for a sec. Poster. So I added a poster to the as an object. I placed it in the room at the coordinate, and then I set the hotspot here in terms of height and width. And I also, of course, did the north direction, so it's actually, the character is actually, when you look at it, it's actually gonna look north. I don't know why I have to do this manually. I shouldn't have to. Like, it should look from whatever direction I'm entering, but that's not something I've done yet. But yeah, and then just look at and nothing else. Ask me about skunk. And then in between takes, I also found out a little shortcut. So turns out I don't need to do waitForMessage manually. There is this little shorthand form, \W. And when you do it like this, you can do all of that in one egoSay. So you don't need multiple egoSay or multiple actorSay. You can. So I could reformat all of that code, which I won't, not for the gem at least. And instead of having like all of these, I could just have drescob 0a, and then I could have. And then I could have the entire thing. I wouldn't need the A0 to A5. I could have this entire thing in one go with just the shorthand W there. But I'm not doing that for now. There's so much things I have to do. I still haven't gotten the audio working. I don't even have sound effects, so I'm not even done with the actual game. There's so much stuff that I'm not done with. So really, yeah. Obviously, this has to go as well when we don't even have the fly in the inventory. There's a lot of stuff I need to do still in terms of graphics. Tomorrow I'm definitely doing the room graphics most of the day. I've got 3 more hours to do stuff today, so let's make the best of it. Let's at least finish this graphic here. Our little character stand. We're not going to do stand. It's a lot of time already being sort of wasted on this one character. Monkey. And I'm going to repeat the process as well for another character called Hare. The hair is just also gonna be now because like we're so running out of time. So being kind of responsible for all of these things is kind of difficult at times. I feel like this is just 1 pixel, right? Okay. It's kind of OCD, the things I have to do here, and a friend of mine said he thinks I'm like attention deficit syndrome or something because I'm doing all these things on my own. But yeah, you kind of have to when you're an indie developer, so it's not like there's a way around it. I wish I had a dedicated team to do all these things. I would still do art occasionally, but I wouldn't feel that forced. If I had like a dedicated art team, then I definitely would not do all of these things. Not by myself. I like doing art. Even if I was like a boss of a large company, or it was like the head of engineering or whatever, I'd still do art for that game company if I got there. But yeah, it can be stressful. Let me see where this is more similar to this one now, I think. I don't even know what kind of music this is right now, to be honest. Is this still 7? I don't think this is 7X, right? Oh, it is. Oh, Snuckies. Okay, maybe. For a second, I thought this was like some sort of weird German folksy music. It sounded kind of weird. Ah, why am I drawing in the wrong layer again? Okay, this is terrible. Maybe I should just merge the layers. Okay. I'm actually gonna make the music a bit, it's kind of weird. I don't like listening to this, to be honest. Wait. Yeah, I think it's cool. It's like a long shirt. Ah, oh. Actually, that looks better, I think. Yeah, slightly longer. And then we go ahead and do the monkey thingy. Ah, dude, now it's hanging very low. Is that normal? It shouldn't be hanging that low. Yeah. Okay, I think it probably can work. Not gonna be perfect. I have headaches now too. So I've severely overexerted myself here. Alright, so OM freaking G. Okay, this is not gonna be as easy. I think this is it. This is such a weird animation. Oh, why? Okay, this is. Why does it constantly keep switching to this layer? I swear to God, I don't feel I'm touching that layer. Yeah, it goes back to that layer. Okay, I feel like this thing is mocking me almost, like holy hell. Okay, why? Well, now of course this is also on the wrong layer. Okay, why are you terrible? Terrible. And now because I'm on 2 layers, can't really draw on there. Oh well, whatever. The white one, hand needs to be white. Okay, whoa. I wish I was a lot quicker with pixel art. That's why I don't even do my backgrounds on here. Because I don't want people to watch. That's also kind of why I'm a bit worried about finishing in time, because it's, quite frankly, it's not gonna be easy. Okay, I think this looks good. Okay. Oh wait, there's a different pixel in the nose? That's easy to fix though. It's a small thing, yeah. Wait. This is gonna be our Monkeyboy. There's one over here. Right, so no, too much on that layer now. Okay, there's the monkey. Wait, I don't know if the placement is perfect. Nah, it kind of wobbles. It also, there's definitely, yeah, this is definitely wrong. These are, I think, wrong. Are they? Actually, no, these are good enough. I think it looks good enough. It wobbles a bit. Fitting music. Let's actually add that to the character roster. Graphics. I'm always kind of worried that I'm in the wrong directory, but it looks apparently looks like I'm in the right directory. So yeah, we got him in. And now the beauty and also the curse is that we now have a character that I wanted to be lazy. I didn't plan for all these multiple characters moving, so now I need to add the randomizer code in there as well for like the movement. But that's gonna have to wait for tomorrow. I think. Or maybe we can do it today. I don't know. Let's drink some more of that bubble tea. I don't know what that weird straw is really for. I can't really reach inside. I don't know if this is. Oh. I got it. So you catch the bubbles with this stuff? Weird. And I'm making a mess, great. Yeah, this is not PC friendly. Give me a sec. Soil my floor now. Okay. Looks like I didn't completely soil everything, but I'm just gonna drink this from the cup. It's okay. I guess we're gonna add a Monkeyboy now. We're gonna call him Monkeyboy. We can pretty much take the. I'm not making like standing animations, extra ones for this character. I really don't have the time. We're just gonna make a copy of Bun Brush here. Call it Monkeyboy. There's gotta be a flip. And then Monkeyboy. We can go ahead and do a Bun Brush and replace all of that with Monkeyboy. And then for the because I have one compile, this should at least shouldn't. Oh, actually, let me see. Make tentacle. it did compile surprisingly. I think in the make file. I don't need to set it into make file. Oh, I need to load. Yeah, never mind. It's only when it's being loaded. So yeah, we don't have a stand frame. So what we're gonna do is we pick some random frames now. I feel, because then we can pretty much keep this entire thing intact. So let me pick some still frames. Okay, this is the perfect stand frame. It still looks like it's standing. He's standing. Let's see what else. Or we could be like a cool of standing. I think this is also cool. Look how he's standing there in his sweater. So we're gonna rename this to stand self. Okay. Yeah, I don't care. No, not. Did it do it now, or did it not do it? It's kind of weird. Open graphics, monkey. Walk, walk, walk. I see walk. Where's the standing animation? Can you please just do what I tell you to, computer? Or just because I said cancel? Okay, that's weird. I just want stand. And S. Pick that. Okay. No. Okay, this is weird. We're just gonna export it then, I guess. Stand as bitmap. Why? Oh, okay. No, okay, I get it. Never mind. Because it can't get rid of that, obviously. So what I have to do here is get rid of these entire layers. Delete frame, delete frame, delete the frame, and then we can do it. Now we can set the whole thing to stand. South. Yes. Okay, that worked. Now we have to stand south. And we do repeat the entire process with walking, first of all. Made a little gif, we can delete that. Okay, the walking one, the east walking one is the weirdest, I guess. Now, either this one. Now, I think we'll have this one, to be honest. So we're gonna get rid of all the other frames here. Delete this frame, delete this frame, delete this frame. Then we save this thing under stand east. Cool. Gonna delete the GIF here. It's a little GIF of animating it. So, right. So we've got the stand east, stand south, and now we just need to stand north. If we take from the walk north animation, and for that we gonna I think this one looks good. We get rid of all the other ones. Delete this frame, delete this frame, this frame. Okay, so right. And then we do the stand. and north. Boom. So now we've got all the animations inside for this character. That was a good deal of work. We can keep pretty much the entire custom sheet in place now. I guess the S in custom stuff, and the S in S cost stands for sheet. Maybe it is sort of I mean, at the end of the day, it is a sprite sheet. It's just a very unusual way of doing a sprite sheet. And it doesn't actually support actual packed sprites yet, actual packed textures, which I want to change eventually, because it would be much easier if like there was some syntax of having it all packed into one. If you could have like not just a position in terms of how large this is, but also like an actual. So instead of a glob, you have a path to the sprite sheet, and then you would load this one sprite sheet, and then you would give the gap in between two frames. That would probably help immensely. Anyhow, we're gonna add the character now. Trouble object. Right, here we can go. We can go inside, do Monkeyboy cost. Monkeyboy cost. And we have an object. Monkeyboy object. Right, and now this should actually compile. Or not. Why did it not compile? The glob pattern error. That is interesting. Walk south. Why is there a glob pattern error on line 4? Let me see. Walk south. Okay, that's rather strange. Glob exists, so. So this is south. Graphics, Monkeyboy, frames. Do we have the right path? We do not. Okay, that explains why. Because usually we have a frames subdirectory. My bad. It's still failing. And this is one of these beautiful fails that there's really no telling what for. Glob pattern error again. Monkey frames. Why am I having a glob pattern error here? So we have graphics, monkey, frames. Oh, because we called it Monkeyboy. Not monkey. There we go. Now we got it. Okay, that loaded perfectly fine. And I'm gonna place the Monkeyboy in this room actually. So the first ridiculous character the player's seeing aside of Turtle, Mr. Turtle, who's rather normal, is gonna be. I'm actually making this a scrolling room, I think. I think this room is too small for a classroom. Characters are so large, so there probably needs to be some scrolling involved. And some camera panning in between and forward and backward. That's just something I can plan for tomorrow. Again, I'm just gonna add a to-do here. There's a lot of to-dos I have to work through. There's a classroom, classroom. Like here. And actually, this is from the tutorial text, anyways, that I added. To do scrollable background So camera hands backing that full game in the intro, and there's enough room for boom. Okay. Oh god, we also have to do box models tomorrow, so really I should... Oh, this is... I thought tomorrow I could just do the music, just the code for the music, but I assume I'll have to work a ton tomorrow, so probably not going to bed too late today. It's probably... I thought I could pull an all-nighter, but it's probably not a good idea. I do need to ask some questions too about ScumVM. Since I'm gonna pack this tomorrow, I'm gonna... obviously the easiest part is just having the Windows icon set, which I'm gonna do tonight as well, off stream probably. But since this is really boring, or maybe we can, you know. We can probably do it right now, actually. No, do I have an open window? No, we don't have an open. I don't remember even the... I have to do it off screen. I don't remember. Yeah, I'm not in any directory anymore. I don't remember the code, the Docker code. We can look it up. ScumVM Docker. Okay. There's so much things to do here. I know I was gonna... I need to stand up. Wait. Git ScumVM MXE. It's the version we want, I think. Yeah, should be the one. Okay. And then we should just be able to do DevTools, actorSay, and then the toolchain. Toolchain is, I'm gonna call it MXE, there it is, MXE. That's a configure flag. Oh wait. Toolchains, is it just toolchains MXE? There it is, parent side. Of course this thing doesn't have a history, so I actually need to remember how I built this thing. We probably want the... There are a lot of computers. I probably get better support from people if I do a regular 686 instead of a full 64-bit build. It would be compatible. Right, so those are the configured, right? And then we disable all engines, I think, right? ScumVM, disable all engines. It was disable. Am I? Oh, there it is. Disable all engines, yes. Enable engine scum. Okay. So disable all engines, and then we enable engine scum. Right. That actually disables all engines except for Scum, which is the only one we need. And what I can do now is make. It would take a few seconds. It's not bad. I don't think it's worth all the money they're paying. People are paying way too much money for bubble tea. I mean, this is the cheapest tea, cheapest bubble tea, $2.99 at Aldi's. Somebody on Telegram just asked me if I like it. I'll answer it in a couple moments. This takes longer than I remember the last time. Maybe because I reconfigured it. Yeah, shouldn't have even needed the configuration option. But I wanted to show it off anyway, so I'm just finishing the bubble tea here in the meantime. If I can reach them, I don't think I can. They're just integrated. What? No. Oh no. Oh, I know why. Oh, actually, I don't know why. I really don't know why. Crap. Okay, I'll have to build it with Can I enable updates? I don't really need to enable updates. But I don't know why this failed now. Because last time this didn't, and I really hope. Crap. Maybe this is needed. But I don't want updates. I don't want to enable updates. It says required configure flex, so maybe it is required. We'll try the 64-bit version. I do have a 64-bit do have a 64-bit computer and the built environment as well, so maybe that's why. That's yeah. I'll just let this running in the background. Thing is, I wanted to replace the we can probably do that from here in the meantime. Do scum VM mxe. There we go. Was it graphics? Oh, now I do wish I remembered where I think in icons, literal yes. Okay, this is weird. Oh, they don't show up. No, that's lovely. Does it not have ICO support? It's not showing up. It's loading the palette, but not the actual icon. I guess not. I thought it did. Or maybe I'm in some weird mode. No. There's definitely something. This can be an NXT. Yeah, these two show up. I don't know why I can't edit them from here. Yeah, I edited this one. Don't know why I can't edit this in whatchamacallit. Guess it's not supported. I guess egoSay is not supported. Do I have an icon editor though? Huh. Is it not supported as a format? It does have ICO support. It does say it has ICO support. If it has that, I don't know why it can't load it. That's strange. That is really strange. Loads the palette, doesn't load the actual icon. Which makes me wonder if we can... Well, we'll try. I'll try loading an icon, maybe even if it's not compatible with maybe even if it's not compatible with loading, maybe it's at least compatible with saving. Okay, it's still loading. I think I might have to end up packing this as a 64-bit application, so sorry everybody who's only got like 32-bit system. May forgive me if I can't get it running. The final version of the game will run everywhere, including DOS. I think I found a way to have it run in DOS. So that will be a thing of beauty. Okay, this time it works. Worked. Okay, so just for the heck of it, what happens when I disable... Maybe it's the update part that doesn't work. Let me see, fun brush. Somebody suggested to just use like the fun brush character, but I don't think that will work, to be honest. I'm not sure this will, or maybe it will. Oh no, it's 32 by 70. That would be a very mini fun brush. Yeah. I mean, it's not... Oh, it's terrible. What are the icon sizes even on? Windows icon sizes. Extra large icons. So... 156, okay. So which version of Windows this is anyways? Which version is this targeting? Is this targeting all the versions of Windows? But honestly, I'm targeting... There's probably still a lot of people who have like Windows XP. But if they do, they don't have like... They're unlikely to have for a 64-bit version, so you know, I'm just gonna I could shrink this further, I guess. That would also work. Wait, I could half that. No, I don't think this would look good. And also, it's still too large. Well, okay, that's a smaller part. Yeah, this looks weird. I wanted 256. 256 icon. 256 by 256. Okay. It's a large icon. I could also do this via injection. I've done that in the past. Injecting the icon inside an existing, because it's recompiling the runtime is just for this is kind of annoying. In files, here, not gonna even rename it. So obviously we want to have a higher sprite size now. Okay, this is one of these things that's really annoying to me. Like, why is sprite? Why is it not selection? Am I missing something here? Am I missing something? Why is it not selecting? Okay, so I'll just do this here. I want 256, I just want twice the size. Here's neighbor. Yeah, this is okay. Actually, we're gonna double it again. Yeah. Just double it again. Oh, no, never mind. And double it again. It's already there. $256. 256. It's still a small icon though. I don't know if that will even work. So this did link. By the way, I did not even copy this into it. Oh, I'm in the box. Of course it can't find that. And I'm quite literally inside this darker box that doesn't know about my own utilities. Wine ScumVMXZ. Oop, whoops. Repack Day of the Tentacle here. Okay. This works. Let's try recompiling. It's larger icon. I think this should just work. Really didn't plan to fire up my box, but I might have to. And I don't think you can see that. Yeah, no, you can't see it from a Linux machine. ScumVMXZ. Yeah, no. I just want to see the icon. Where's even the icon now? Am I blind? Plus it should be in here. Yeah. Oh hell! I'm just gonna sort it by. It is sorted by that. Okay, am I blind? There it is. Yeah, I'm blind. Right. I'm just gonna boot up my Windows machine, I guess. Come on. Should switch to. Come on. Ah. Come on, switch to the correct resolution. Damn it. Normally it switches to full screen. There you go. Oh, no, we do not want to show you guys my Steam. Also, I have not even copied it yet, so take that file. We have a special folder that's kind of linked in. Called Windows Dev. Everything we copy to Windows Dev should be available. I swear. Right. Oh, it is not stripped. Why? Although I think that's more than just not being stripped. A lot more. This is heavy. It's like twice the size. That can't just be debug symbol. Oh, it is. It is just a debug symbol. Interesting. Wait, let's try that from. And here's my partition that maps in. Would probably help if I go by date modified. Come on. Modified. Why do I not see it? There it is. ScumXZ. It's very small, but it apparently loaded in. It did load in, yeah. And that will be the icon. And then there's like some weird, oh yeah, I need to turn that off still. And this is not even using any setup. Oh yeah, this works. Does it actually load the icon underneath? It's really small. So this is annoying. This is the feature of me using Tiny 11 apparently. The thing with the not the icon being tiny, but I'm okay with that icon for now. Definitely needs more work. I could make it bigger, probably. But yeah, there's like a. The only thing I'm missing here is a configuration file. I'm gonna turn it off. I can't. Somehow I can't save the machine state. I have to turn it off completely. Can I keep that open? Can we not have this like larger? Let's see. The 256 is definitely supported. Why can't we? Whatever. So 256. This is double slice. Crap. Wait, we can. I'm dumb. We can do that. We have 256. And then we can make it wider. It's probably the easiest solution. 6. There you go. Now it's 256. Quite honestly, I don't know if I even want that resolution. I don't want to waste time, first of all. I'm gonna do that tomorrow because I also shut down. But yeah, it kind of works. The icon works, it just needs to be. The icon works, the VM works, it's just not actually being linked with my game. I need to add my own game there. But this works. For the next thing, we're gonna go back to Monkeyboy. Let's add on Monkeyboy here. Turtle object. You can just copy the turtle object for now. And we're gonna do the same thing we've done for turtle. We're gonna add a Monkeyboy. Actually test. There's a lot of things that I would like to have as a quality of life improvement that aren't going to be in there yet. There we go. That should work. Now we don't need to wait for message, I assume. Maybe we still need it underneath, unless we do this here, but yeah, it should work now. Talk to Monkeyboy, so now we need a talk to Monkeyboy to copy this entire thing here, which is quite long. Good job, that is a local script. Crap. Unbrush, talk to Monkeyboy. Why is it saying it's new? It's not. Talk to Monkey. Name Monkeyboy. Or Monkeyboy. One word, maybe. Just like Superman. Does it still compile? Ah. Keep that open. There we go. No, it does not for some reason. Where's the error now? 93 in the common class. Why is that? Why 93 of all places? Is that where we declared the... No? Okay, this is weird now. Oh, common SEC. No, it's not 90. Why did I say it's 36? Did I misread? Oh, 36. That makes more sense. Actually, it does not make more sense. When was the last thing I changed in there? Wait. Did I set this to the wrong value? That's another thing. Why is this failing at a... Oh, there it is. Bunbrush talk to Monkeyboy is not a noun function. Yeah. Because it's not in the friggin' header. Well, that was a red herring. so worried now because I just saw that I forgot resetting the resolution. Hopefully I didn't undo my render optimizations here. No, looks fine. Looks fine. Yeah. Cool, cool. Okay, now we can place the Monkeyboy. We'll probably copy and paste the stuff over from OpenQuest. We're not going to do anything special with the roaming script. Gonna add the roaming script because I want that set up for tomorrow. Everything ready for turtle object. Let's link the turtle object. Okay, since those are in the same room, I'm just gonna add here. Monkeyboy cost. This is a thing I should not even need to do twice, to be honest. We need to build the dim brush colors still. Let's actually pick the color palette for the Monkeyboy. I think we're gonna go with yellow, which in the grander theme is this one here, right? 217. One color. Define. We're gonna define it as well. We need to add the actor here, anyways. Actor Monkeyboy. Still have the Carol color. This should not be Carol color, obviously, but turtle color. Fine. Monkeyboy color. And we said, what did we say? 217? Yeah, 217. That's what we said. Cool. That one's set. And now it would have helped if I had actually already set that problem. Go. Monkeyboy color. There we go. Color. Animation speed should be set manually, I think. 2. Fun brush is 4, so this should also be 4. And I'm any more quirky. I don't think I need the actor with. I don't know what ignore box is. Also unnecessary. I think. Maybe I do need the ignore boxes. I don't know. That's a person, and then we actually need to add the Monkeyboy actor object and set up the class. This probably can be done declaratively as well. So the same way we set the pickable class for objects. So this is the turtle Monkeyboy object. And I'm going to put the actor somewhere. It should be in the beginning of the room. Somewhere. Where should he start? I don't know. You can put him somewhere up here, I guess. I don't know. 7, 8, 6. Let's try that. There's a syntax error somewhere. Why do I keep having these? In common SCH. Oh, we. The actor is not actually placed yet because Monkeyboy object is not a declared resource. Turtle object. We've set the Monkeyboy object, so, but it's not set in the. Oh, you set this one twice. Monkeyboy object, but also it should be in a header file so we can access it elsewhere. There we go. He's in. Text speed needs to be upgraded, I feel. And yeah, he should be roaming. Now that I've added all the animation, I will definitely make him roaming. And this room obviously needs to fly still. I think I'm probably going to bed early, so I can get up early in the morning. Yeah, let me think what else I need to do. Let me think. What else do we need to do? Obviously, we need to add all the room stuff. A lot of items, a lot of like doors and stuff, and the rooms itself. We also need to like give characters their items. There's a lot of things to do still. I also need to draw the other the hair. I need to draw the hair stuff. Oh yeah, right. What we wanted to do next is the roaming script, which is so complicated. So we first have to set an array, and we have to do roaming states. That's interesting enough because we might only do one character roaming. I don't know yet. Because one character per room should be possible. Well, we probably can do like a lot of characters at once. Right. Is both actors? Yes. So first we have a nibble, which is like, as it says, a 2-dim array. It's like a struct array. A nibble is just a very efficient 2-dimensional array format. It's like a nibble is 4 bits instead of 8. So a half byte. A half byte. Sorry. I'm getting tired. Yeah, now we just copy the roaming state here. I'm just gonna make this a copy paste. Easy on the phone. Don't need any of that stuff, obviously. The roam script. Do need the roam script. Start roaming as well. Pause roaming, resume, stop roaming. There's a lot of roaming stuff. Holy hell. This has to sit inside the class, right? Yeah, inside the room actors class. Can sit pretty much at the beginning, I guess. I remember that song. Oh yeah, King of the Creatures. I think there's like a song version of that. Start roaming. There's probably a lot more code that I need. or maybe not. Right, but we have to attach the roam, obviously. Random number, actor room. I think a lot of it is done for me. Start roaming, resume roaming, stop roaming. Do we have all of these now? Pause, resume, stop, yes. Okay. Resume, stop roaming. Right. So first of all, we have to do a resume roaming, I guess. Start roaming. Oh, we have to link all of these in as well. Include all of these as obviously. Define. Declare, even. I do declare. We haven't even declared these yet. Right. Eventually I will automate all that stuff. Yeah. So you don't need to constantly type. There should be a plugin for Visual Studio Code, or actually something running. No, actually just something running in the background. That it's like in JavaScript or TypeScript, where anytime you save, like a process running. Right? How do I? There's resume roaming. There's a start roaming. Oh, okay. There we go. Talked about plate. So resume roaming is mostly, and stop roaming is used for the outro. I don't know why we need to stop roaming when you can just pause. The game is ending anyways, but whatever. Just do a. Oh god, and since we're gonna have an intro, maybe I'm not even gonna have an intro if I look at the complexity, because then we have to do a lot of bits again. Quick init, first init, a lot of code that can break. Overrides. Okay, for now I'll just have a local script entry in the classroom. And that should make the character roam entry. Understanding, start music. Now we make this the actor start roaming, and the actor is gonna be Monkeyboy. What are these coordinates? Actors. Can I actually see them? No. I have to go into the code to see them. Annoying. Whatever. So this is like, oh, int max and min. Okay, so this is like the minimum and the maximum position they can move. Do they have like, I assume they still have the box model, right? They can't move outside the boxes. Let's see. Nothing happened. Oh, there we go, little buddy. And there he's going. But he's only moving. Okay, can you please move like? Can you move diagonally or like vertically? I think I need to customize the. Yeah. I feel they should walk more. Oh, there we go. Maybe I'm just not. Okay, that works though. I just wish we would see more from the front. Maybe. Why is he blocking the entire door now? Okay, this should not have happened. There's a lot of stuff that's being rendered. Oh no, wait, that's the box. Never mind, that wasn't a character, that was the box. The character is totally fine. His fault. Actually, I'm really annoyed by the way this does it. Yeah. I want to see him more from the front, obviously. If I had known that I'm only seeing him from the side. Let's see. What were the... which coordinates? Start roaming? Ah. Okay. Start roaming. Min and max, right? Min and max, okay. So these are the min and the max values. So they're probably not set correctly. The classroom environment. Yeah, they're set to a... Okay, so he's mostly vertical. That's why. He should be able to move at 150. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, 130 is fine. He should be able to move outside this area. Okay, let's try that again. Yeah, now he's definitely moving very differently. Yeah, okay, that's better. And there we go, we have our little monkey buddy. The guy who thinks there's a monkey. It's like, I thought it was almost funnier than, even though it's kind of a rehashed model now. It's still different enough. I actually think about making this like I talk to friends, and they thought it would be a great idea if I turn this into like a, if I end up finishing the game, that I turn this into a, which is pretty much a given. Like, I love making this game. I just wish I had more time. But yeah, they thought about making this like sort of a European-centric Sam & Max, like with Serbians and and like typical European culture. Really, pretty much turning this from a cute game into something more akin to Sam & Max or Conker's Bad Fur Day. And I'm actually gonna I'm keeping his, but I'm changing hers to not have this weird blue aura up. Shouldn't have that. Yeah, we'll actually fix that now. I think we'll do doing this right now. It just I don't like it. Really don't like how this looks. It looks like Papa Bun had 1 carat schnapps too much and made one brush fall down a set of stairs. Yeah, it looks really weird, really violent in a way. There's only the side view. Yeah. That's one thing I did not draw that was drawn by my animator. Okay. So in order to recompile the costumes, we actually have to do a make clean first. What? Why? What? That shouldn't have happened. Okay, that is strange. That should not have happened. Why? Make clean? Okay, sometimes that does happen, but I'm genuinely confused now. Oh. Which files did I overwrite? Unbrushed frames. That's totally correct. Maybe I need to clean them out manually. Unbrush. Make clean. They kind of. They shouldn't. I don't think this is the problem. We can get rid of the header here. It shouldn't be an issue though. It's weird. Make tentacle. What? Oh, okay. I'm stupid. This is the walking animation, and the standing animation doesn't. I didn't update the standing. Oh, that is why. There we go. Clean. Tentacle. Okay, black eye gone. That looked very suspiciously like a black eye. It fits this character because he's wearing a mask, so it almost already does look like Sam and Max in a way, like Max, like Max having a bunch of alter egos. Obviously, this is just a random placeholder for Mr. Trouble, but the rest does look like an alter ego for Max. Obviously, I'm not as talented as Steve Purcell in terms of drawing, so. But, yeah. I think for my. This almost sounds like Donkey Kong Country now, the background. It's not, but it's almost like it. Yeah, our spider character. This is our sprite for. Oh wait, actually, it could have. Actually, could have used that one. Okay, probably will reuse that one since it's for. Ah. So this is for like posters. We can. Like a different kind by like adding or removing a couple layers, and then we have text and stuff. And yeah, I have so many cool ideas, to be honest. I don't think I can add a Monkey Island character. I actually have to look at how Dolores did that. No, not Dolores. Lucy Dreaming. Did they not have that item? Lucy Dreaming? Did they ever get into trouble? Probably would have if it was too much. I don't think it was, right? Okay, they very blatantly had a figurine that looks exactly like Guybrush Threepwood. Oh, mine is a bit more. My idea is probably a bit more over the top. I'm heading to bed anyways. I really hope I can finish this tomorrow. I gotta kind of wing the sound. I still have not done this here, the sleigh bells and all the stuff. I have to add that. You know, the composer is gonna be back in the morning. Apparently, from what he told me, so maybe he can take a shot at it. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow.